Cats are great self-groomers, but one place they can't groom is their ears. Ear cleaning is not usually necessary in cats. Most cats are fine without it, but for those who are prone to wax buildup and ear infections, ear cleaning can be an important part of your cat's hygienic needs. Luckily, by using some effective methods and tips, you can clean your cat's ear easily at home. Sit in a comfortable position and hold your cat in your lap. Swaddle your cat in a towel, which will help keep them from moving or scratching you. Grasp the tip of one of their ear flaps and pull it back slightly to straighten the ear canal. Then apply a few drops of ear cleaning solution to the inside of your cat's ear flap. Avoid putting the tip of the bottle into their ear canal, since forcefully squeezing the bottle, while it's anywhere in their ear, could rupture their eardrum. Zymox Otic enzymatic solution for cats and kittens is a natural, effective remedy that promotes ear health in cats of all ages and contains 0.5% hydrocortisone for effective relief from itching, inflammation, and irritation. Apply liberally in dirty ear to fill canal. Do not pre-clean ear or enzymatic activity is disrupted. Do not touch the tip of bottle with ear. If it touch, you will need to clean it to prevent yeast from spreading. Massage the base of your cat's ear for 20 to 30 seconds to help distribute the solution throughout their ear canal. Hold their ear flap and use a cotton ball or a small cloth to wipe away any debris. Let your cat shake their head, which will move any remaining ear cleaning solution and debris out of their ear canal and toward the outer ear opening. Then clean the inside of their ear with a Q-tip and praise your cat and offer them treats. So cleaning a cat's ears at home allows you to identify any health issues your kitty may have, such as built-up debris, ear mites, or an infection.